Hello traders, today I came to teach you $1 million strategy that many traders of banks and investment companies use because of its 100% win rate. This strategy is based on the moving average convergence divergence indicator, and I teach it like other strategies that we have taught. Very simple and understandable even for newbies. My friends, if you are interested in learning the latest and most profitable trading strategies, we test strategies every week and upload the best and highest win rate and lowest risk for you. So, in order not to miss this strategy and magic indicators, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. I don't know how familiar you are with the moving average convergence divergence indicator. This indicator is not a signal for buying or selling, but we made the strategy that you can receive buy and sell signals and even filter false signals. In the end you will understand why I call it 100% win rate. We don't waste time and start training. Let's go. Well, we are in the Bitcoin chart and the time frame is 5 minutes. First, we change the mode of the candles to Heikinashi. Well, now we go to the indicator section and add the most important indicator of this strategy to the chart, so we search for MACD in the search box. Well, as you can see, this attractive indicator was added, but our strategy is not complete, and this indicator has good default settings and there is no need to change its settings. I will teach you the indicators step by step so that it will be easier to digest and all your focus will be on this indicator. This indicator has a false signal that reaches zero when the strategy is completed. So be patient and be careful. This indicator has two conditions to confirm our signals. The first condition is that the blue line must have strongly broken the orange line upwards or downwards. The second condition is that the indicator candles and chart confirm the trend change. If the blue line breaks the orange line upwards, the price will grow, and if it breaks downwards, the price will fall. Next, positions will be opened and we can see that the number of false signals is very large and grows, and almost half of the signals are false. Although both conditions are met, we do not have good signals and half of the signals are false. Well, now it is better to add another indicator to the chart so that we can receive much better signals. We go to the indicators section and now search for Williams %R in the search box and click on it once to add it to the chart. Well, this indicator does not need to change the settings and everything is perfect by default, but the next indicator needs customized settings. In this indicator, there is only one condition to confirm the signals, and that the yellow line can break the blue line downwards or upwards, but with the difference that there is a support and resistance, which I marked with the green and red lines, and usually if in the resistance, if it is a bearish signal, it is reliable, and if it is supported by a buy signal, growth usually occurs. It is better to tell you with an example so that you can see how it works and how it confirms the signal. As you can see, the yellow line failed to break when it reached the resistance and the fall occurred, and a little later, the price grew as it approached the support area. So every position is approved by this indicator. Try to open your positions exactly where the signals are confirmed, exactly on the candle where the signal is confirmed, neither too late nor too soon. And be sure to pay attention to the first indicator candles to understand the trend and volume of transactions. In this candle, the yellow line and the first indicator all confirm an attractive buy signal. 1% spot profit is very attractive only in a long position. Here, the green candle has a long shadow. When the shadow is long, it means that the next candles can be red. At the same time, We are in a resistance zone, which confirms this twice, that the price will decrease. Well, we open the indicator section to add the last indicator to the chart with changes in its settings, and the strategy will be fully implemented, and you will see that the false signals will reach 0 EMA indicator. We will go to the settings section and I will make some changes in it so that you can see it better. Of course, I change its length from the default 9 to 50 to filter all false signals. Well, now we have to deal with the candles of the Bitcoin chart. In any part, if the candles break a white line upwards or downwards, according to the color they have, they are confirmed signals. If the red candles break the white line downwards, it is a sell signal. If the green candles break the white line upwards, it is a buy signal. In the first indicator, we see the growth of the volume of candles. The blue line has also broken the orange line upwards. In the second indicator, the yellow line has broken the resistance, which causes the price to grow and is confirmed. Almost 3% profit in one transaction. Here the support in the indicator is lost and the red candles also break the white line down, so everything confirms that this is a valid sell signal. Almost 2% spot profit in just one transaction. Well, you probably noticed that the false signal was no longer there, so the win rate was 100%. Just one thing to say, don't use any strategy when the price is not fluctuating and stable. I hope you enjoyed this video. I always teach the most profitable and best trading strategies in this channel in a simple way so that even beginners can learn it. Every week we have videos in this field. Subscribe and activate the notification bell. 2 more very profitable videos are offered to you at the end, which are also extremely profitable. Also, share your opinions and questions in the comments section, and to support us and see this video more, just like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye to next profitable strategy videos.